Today, we're going to be learning how to change a texture from code. First, you need a node with the texture that you want to change. Next, you need to have something to activate the code, like a button. For this example, we're going to be using a button. First, go to the button and do a pressed signal. Next, you'd want a script. Then the code would be the texture node, which is named from here dot texture equals resource loader dot load, and then here is the path to the texture. You can see it. You can see that 0 PNG is found here